project is ongoing. The project is still going. I read a periodical weekly. I read a magazine weekly. The plumber came today. The plumber showed up today. We may incur extra fees. We may get extra fees. She will oversee the team. She will manage the team. I need to retrieve my bag. I need to get my bag. This town is picturesque. This town is really beautiful. We met prospective clients. We met potential clients. Let's simplify the plan. Let's make the plan easier. She surpassed expectations. She beat expectations. We have surplus food. We have extra food. This tent withstands when. This tent handles when. Well, I advocate for fair pay. I support fair pay. She's an aspiring artist. She's trying to become an artist. We bought assorted snacks. We bought mixed snacks. She shared her credentials. She shared her qualifications. We sent an inter-office memo. We sent a memo inside the company. The machine malfunctioned. The machine broke down. We mutually agreed. We both agreed. We meet periodically. We meet from time to time. I respect copyright laws. I follow copyright rules. This meal is nutritious. This meal is healthy. Don't obstruct the doorway. Don't block the doorway.